Good, happy Sabbath morning. We have Jasmine and Ari and Teresa. Good morning, Teresa. They're joining us on FaceTime for Sabbath School this morning. So, good morning, girls.
Good morning.
Good morning, Caroline. Good morning, Aunt Linda.
Good morning.
And where's Nick? Good morning, Nick.
Good morning.
How you doing, sweetie pie?
What number?
You okay? Fair. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to sing some songs, have a little Sabbath school. Enjoy the day. There they are. Hi. So we just finished our Sabbath school, and I guess we're just going to visit a little bit. So you guys have...
Mom, what's for today's craft?
Oh, craft. We should have a craft, shouldn't we? Ari, do you have a craft? We don't have anything related to... I guess I'm going to have to find something to color or do something with you guys. Huh.
Oh, I don't want to color.
Olivia, she's kind of busy hanging out over the arm of the chair here.
Or you can just do something about...
Ariella, it feels like you're right here with us. She's doing a craft. Show us your craft, sweetie.
Muriel Hemingway. She's like, you know.
Oh, cool. You're working on it, huh? That's neat. So, good. So what is it, actually? It's like a card or something?
She's thinking,
Was that her dad or what?
Woody Allen? No, he's an
Oh.
Oh, but how does she relate to Hemingway?
I think you're breaking up because Aunt Linda and Curtis are talking at the same time, so that's why I can't hear you. But that's okay. Steady at it. I'm going to go see now what Olivia is doing, okay? I'll be right back.
Well, yeah, they accused him of being a pedophile and all that stuff on his daughters and stuff.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Pretty
What
good.
are you guys doing, Moses?
Yeah.
So they're doing a craft with Moses and the bulrushes because we've been talking a lot about Moses during our daily worships.
And today we are talking mostly about worship.
Oh, about Moses, we were, but now we're doing a craft on baby Moses. So there's the water, right?
Yep.
Catherine? And she's gonna put water on her plate. And Olivia, she's making some bulrushes over here.
They're coming along great.
Yeah, they are. Great idea. Mashed potatoes.
It's the old X-ray tech in you coming out.
Daddy's having mashed potatoes, and we're having the cabbage salad. Catherine isn't looking, but what are you waiting for, Catherine? Maybe some more veggies?
I never even tried
Crackers?
crackers yet.
Crackers. And Nick, are you having mashed potatoes too, honey? Mashed potatoes. So we're having a good lunch. Nice.
Quesadillas.
We're eating quesadilla. Mama's having some more cabbage salad, cucumbers, tomatoes.
Mama.
And some more tomatoes, olives. I think I'm gonna eat some of this hummus too. I know. Caroline, Mama's talking, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna eat this hummus. And I want to have some more of these crackers. We like these crackers.
No.
So Caroline and I decided to go to a nature center this afternoon. And the children are at home. Nick's watching a nature documentary. Catherine and Olivia are doing a craft. And little Caroline and I decided to take a trip outdoors. You see all the worms and rocks? Hello, turtle. We haven't been to this nature center yet, so this is a new one for us. Maybe the other ones will come with us next time.
Yeah.
I think. Hello, little turtle. Oh, I don't know what that is. What is it? What's that?
A turtle.
That's a turtle. We've got a turtle up here too. And some fishes.
He's stepping on a rock.
He's stepping on a rock. Yeah. So over here is a snake.
Oh, it's in it.
See the snake? have some bird's nests.
I want to see birds.
Yeah. See a bird's nest?
I want to see birds.
Barn swallow. You want to get up and see the bird's nest? Hold on a second.
Cool.
Then we have our collection of stuffed animals. Real stuffed animals.
Yeah,
Look,
snake.
butterfly. You see the snake?
Snake.
This is interesting.
It can come out. It can come out, Mom.
Do you think he's going to come out? You're going to tell him to come out? Oh, look at the fox. You got
Dad
Foggy?
is a funny guy.
Yeah, I think this guy's had a rough day.
Dad is a funny guy.
That's a big tree.
That is a big frog.
Oh, that's a big frog.
That is a boy.
It's a boy? What is this? This is a praying mantis.
Yeah.
Oh, scary. Here's a turtle.
Yeah.
You like turtles?
That's interesting.
What's this?
That's
It's a
turtle.
turtle too, isn't it?
What's
We
that?
should build a habitat. You know what a habitat is? It's a place for the animals to live.
That is an animal.
Oh wow, I think that's a lobster or something. I think it's a lobster.
Yeah. It's got no.
Our little trip into the city to the nature center, I don't think it really was all that. So I decided to come here to this park because we haven't really been looking forward to seeing it for a long time, and I haven't had a chance to be here yet. So we are looking this summer, to see all the flowers. So we're going to visit here. We got some kids in the splash pad over here. We're going to visit here now for just a little bit before we go on home. So we can see the flowers, see the people getting married. Very nice. These are the sunken gardens here at Phillips Park.
They're like ours.
Yeah, they look like ours, our marigolds.
They're
Huh?
a bee.
You see a bee?
Yeah.
There's a bumblebee.
What about you?
If you're too close, it will. So they just have flowers everywhere. It's just beautiful. Guess you can tell I'm a flower kind of person. And every weekend there are weddings. Every single weekend in summertime. It's so beautiful here. So, you guys had a great day?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Is it nice? All right, Caroline. Is it nice to be with Poppy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You guys got.
Yeah.
You guys did a lot of things today. Made crafts,
Um.
picked flowers,
Go outside.
went outside and played with the neighbors. We
I
had
made
worship.
with the neighbors.
Yeah, we had worship with Ariella too this morning, didn't we?
Yeah.
That was nice.
And I ate breakfast.
And you ate breakfast and you ate lunch? All right, guys, what do we want to tell the people?
Live well and be strong.